What is going on, guys? I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we're going to be installing my Momo steering wheel. We're going to take this baby off. I'm going to get to it. I got my boys here to help me. Say what's up to the vlog, guys.
Yo, what's up?
What's happening? All right. We already disconnected the battery for like 20 minutes, but we can go straight into it. Yeah.
All right, so long story short, we're gonna be doing with this wheel, we're gonna be disconnecting the airbag. Thankfully, the battery is disconnected. Once we get this airbag out, it's gonna be, there's basically gonna be a bolt that we're gonna have to unloosen, not all the way, but ever so slightly. Pop the wheel out, pop the Momo in, and we're ready to go. Simple as that.
Kind of feels like, caught up in the fast life, caught up in the fast life, caught up in the fast life. Kind of feels like, caught up in the fast life. Kind of feels like.
Alright, so we got the airbag off through some YouTube videos. Love watching YouTube videos while making YouTube videos, the best thing ever. But we had trouble with this. We didn't know that you can slide the other piece down. So the airbag is off. We're just getting a little extension right here because we're not smart. Well, at least I'm not. And, you know. Alright, after like 5 hours of work.
Listen, all I have to say, give me the camera. All I have to say is that these guys are kind of amateurs and I had to kind of step in. Big Daddy had to step in, but it's all good because guess what? It all works now.
It all works.
It all works.
Oh, this thing is beautiful. Where is this?
You look like you're about to go on a bike.
Oh, this thing looks beautiful.
Bro, I can take pictures right now.
Definitely unzip. Definitely unzip.
I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Yeah,
I'm sorry for not going in depth.
It looks way more fast fashion that way.
Hope you guys have a great day.
Oh yeah.
Goodbye.
Way better. Whoa.
Oh shit. Oh my god, dude, it feels so much nicer. Bro, that's a difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's way nicer, ain't it?
It's not aligned. I can tell you that. I can tell you that.
It's what?
That's how it is.
What?
That's going straight.
I know.
I gotta get it aligned.
It's nice though.
Bro,
Excuse yourself?
bro, I wish you knew how to drive stick right now.
I'll learn. One of these days. Yeah, I'm blind.
Yeah, I can't take the bumps like you can.
Well, you're significantly lower than I am. God, my eyeballs.
You heard that guy?
Yeah, he's like, oh.
Dude, the car feels so much better, bro.
Just because you changed the steering wheel?
Yes.
That's good. I'm glad. Are you getting any more feedback than you were before?
Yeah. It's much like stiffer now.
That's good. It don't feel disgusting.
Oh, dude, I'm
You gotta do the swag arm out the window.
I love it.
Oh my god! Ah!
See, this is probably why my brakes are.
Ah, damn.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you say sorry for it. That's my fault. My hand's out the window. God,